Calling all history buffs. Ready to test your knowledge of the legends who changed our world? Which leader is known for his non-violent approach to achieving India's independence? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violent resistance influenced other civil rights movements worldwide, including Martin Luther King Jr.'s approach in the United States. Which inventor is credited with developing the first practical electric light bulb? The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Edison tested over 6,000 different materials before finding the right filament for his light bulb, demonstrating the importance of persistence and innovation. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is Marie Curi. Marie Curie remains the only person to win Nobel Prizes in multiple sciences, physics and chemistry, and was the first person to win multiple Nobel Prizes. Which civil rights activist delivered the famous "I Have a Dream" speech? The correct answer is Martin Luther King Jr. King improvised much of the most memorable parts of his "I Have a Dream" speech, including the dream sequence itself, after gospel singer Mahalia Jackson shouted, "Tell them about the dream, Martin." Who is known as the father of modern physics? The correct answer is Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of relativity fundamentally changed our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe itself, leading to numerous practical applications, including GPS technology. Which entrepreneur revolutionized the automotive industry with the assembly line? The correct answer is Henry Ford. Ford's assembly line reduced the time to build a car from 12 hours to 2.5 hours, making automobiles affordable for the average American and revolutionizing manufacturing worldwide. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci used a technique called sphumato, which creates a soft, hazy effect, and the Mona Lisa has no visible eyebrows or eyelashes, possibly due to restoration work or fading over time. Which leader was known as the Iron Lady? The correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. Thatcher was Britain's longest-serving prime minister of the 20th century and the first woman to hold the position, serving from 1979 to 1990. Who is credited with founding modern nursing? The correct answer is Florence Nightingale. Nightingale was also a pioneering statistician, using data visualization to demonstrate how sanitation reduced mortality. Her polar area diagram was revolutionary for medical statistics. Which ancient philosopher was known as the teacher of Alexander the Great? The correct answer is Aristotle. Aristotle tutored Alexander from age 13 to 16, influencing his worldview and approach to leadership. His teachings helped shape Alexander's vision of a unified empire combining Greek and Persian cultures. Who wrote The Theory of Evolution by Natural Selection? The correct answer is Charles Darwin. Darwin waited 20 years to publish On the Origin of Species due to concerns about public reaction. He was prompted to publish when Alfred Wallace developed similar theories. Which composer wrote the Ninth Symphony, Ode to Joy? The correct answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Beethoven was completely deaf when he composed his Ninth Symphony and couldn't hear the audience's standing ovation at its premiere in 1824. Who is known as the father of computer science? The correct answer is Alan Turing. Turing's work helped break the Nazi Enigma code during World War II, potentially shortening the war by several years and saving millions of lives. Which leader established the first public library system in America? The correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. Franklin founded the Library Company of Philadelphia in 1731, which became the first subscription library in America and served as the model for future public libraries. Who was the first person to reach both the North and South Poles? The correct answer is Roald Amundsen. Amundsen used dogs and skis effectively, learning from Inuit people's techniques, which gave him advantages over other explorers who relied on more traditional European methods. Share with a friend who loves learning about world-changing leaders. Let's see who knows more.